This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, next 3 days or 4 days we'll discuss about data transforms. Same, okay, today entire day we will discuss about data transforms theoretically. What is the use of data transforms? What are the different options are available in a data transforms? Okay, what are the different options are available in a data transforms? Okay, we will discuss these things today. Okay, what are the options are available? When we can use those options? Okay, when we can use those options, we'll discuss. Okay. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, fine. So even interview point of view also they will ask you, okay, when you created the data transforms, what are the different actions are available in the data transforms? Or else what type of scenarios you created the data transforms? Like that people will ask you. The name itself it is showing like data transform. Data transform. Okay, it will transfer the data from one place to another place. One place to another place means one property to another property. Okay, one property to another property mostly, and okay, in our all scenarios. Okay, what we will do by using data transforms, we will set the data. Okay, mostly by using data transforms we can set the data. First I will write some theoretical points about complete about data transforms. After that, one by one I will explain. Okay, after that, one by one I will explain. Okay, in case if someone is going to ask you, tell me what type of scenarios you created the data transforms. Tell me what type of scenarios you created the data transforms. Okay, now whatever I'm going to write here, same thing you can update. Practically we'll discuss. Okay, coming classes. Okay, if you want to, one by one again we will discuss. If you want to copy the, or if you want to set the data, if you want to set the data to class properties, or based upon, or based upon when conditions, if you want to set the data to class properties, or okay, if you want to copy the data from one page, page property I'm updating, one page property to, you will get to know what do you mean by page property, and to another page property. Or okay, if you want to copy the data from one page list, one page list property to another page list property, okay, another page list property, or page, one page property to one page property to page list property. Okay, page list property. one page list property to another page list property. Or okay, if you want to sort the page list results, page list property results in the form of ascending order or descending order. Or okay, if you want to loop the list of page list results. Okay, if you want to if you want to loop the list of page list results, then we can go for data transforms. In case if someone is going to ask you when we can go for data transforms, okay, one by one we'll discuss again. In case if someone is going to ask you, okay, what is the use of data transforms, or else what type of scenarios we will create a data transforms, means whenever you want to set some values to set the data to class properties, or based upon some condition, if you want to set the data to class properties, or if you want to copy the data from one page to another page property, or else one page list to another page list property, or page to page list property, or you have a page list property, you want to okay display the data, okay, display the data in the form of ascending order or descending order, or else you want to loop the list of page list results, all those scenarios we can go for data transforms. And okay, we can go for data transforms. Some more points I will write. After that I will create a data transform one by one option we'll discuss. And okay, these things also in the coming classes you will get to know. Okay, these whatever points I'm going to write here theoretically, please remember. As of now you can remember. uh, Coming classes I will show you practically. Okay, by using okay apply data transform, apply okay data transform, okay method in the activity, okay we can call the data transform. Okay, how we can call a data transform in the activity? Okay, we can use this method. And okay, this is the method we will use in activity. Okay, similar way, opposite, vice versa way, by using, remember these things, all functions will discuss. Px execute an activity, Pega OOTB function, we can call the activity in a data transform. Even interview point of view, people will ask you how we can call the activity in a data transform. How we can call the activity in a data transform. You can say px execute an activity function. See, whatever now I'm going to write, those are the common rules we will call in a data transform. Either you can call activity, okay, or else next one I will tell you. Sir, now I want to call it data pages. What is the use of data pages? Maybe coming classes you will get to know. Sir, data pages will give some results. Those results you want to copy into some different property, page or page list property. At that time, how we can call data page in a data transform? Okay. Sir, whenever you want to call a data page in a data transform, we need to specify the data page name and a class name in a data transform under pages and classes, and then we will refer the data page, in a data transforms under actions. Okay, there is no specific method here. The way of referring, see how we are referring the data page. In the pages and classes we will specify okay how to call data page in a data transform, like that people will ask you. Okay, I will write here. This one I will write a question. Okay, see, similar like how here we have a method function is available. Okay, we don't have any function, but how we will refer the database in a data transform, how to call database in a data transform. How we will call? Tell me how to call. Whoever knows how to call database in a data transform.
D
Yeah,
underscore
we can.
database name,
Database name in a
The
then
underscore
do param
database.
one and value one, and then we have to do param two and value two.
Interview point of view, how we will explain in a data transform under pages and classes. We will specify the we will specify the database name and class name to call database in a data transform. Agree everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, in a data transform under pages and classes tab, we will specify. Okay, you need to say like that. After that, after that, we can refer database. Okay, database in a data transform under definition tab. We can refer the database in a data transform under definition tab. This is the way to call the database. And okay, this is the way to call the data. All will discuss practically. Okay, next one. Sir, how we will call the report definition in activity? Sorry, in a data transform. Okay, report definition in a data transform is by using px call retrieve. Okay, report data. Pega OOTB activity. Okay, we can call the report definition in a data transform. Okay, we need to pause. Okay, report name, report class name, and page name. Parameters. Okay, these are the parameters you need to pass. Okay, here again, how we can call decision table or decision tree. Okay, decision table or decision tree. Okay, now you can observe here by using obtain value obtain value obtain value or evaluate evaluate decision table Pega OOTB functions. We can call the decision rule in a data transform. Okay, sir, these are the two functions. Old versions we will use these functions. Pega 6, Pega 7. Now also we will use, instead of using this function, we will use this evaluate decision table function. Okay,
Arjun
evaluate.
sir,
Yes,
how to call two data transforms in database? Yeah, is it possible?
two data transforms
In database.
in a database. You have two options are available. Multiple sources based upon conditions. We can call, right? Multiple sources we can add, right?
Yeah, that aggregate source one, right,
Uh,
Arjun?
Aggregate source, or else you can use a condition basis. If else, like that. In a database, we have a if else option is available, right? Hello?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
if else option is available, right? There we can call. Okay, sir.
One data transform to another data transform. How we can?
No, in a data transform, we have option is available. Apply data transform. Like those things, I will write in a notepad. Okay. Once I created the data transform, I will show you. Okay, so mainly report definition, activity, this one, this one, this one. Okay, so next one. Okay, other than this one, any rule we will call in a data transform. Okay, one more. Okay, one more. All are practically I will explain. Don't worry. Today, if you people prepare and by heart all these things, practically when I'm going to explain, at that time easily you can understand. Okay, how to. Okay, this one when I'm going to explain about practically at that time I will show you. Other than these rules, whether we will call any rule, hmm, other than these rules, come on, either we will call activity or database or report definition or data transforms. That's it, right? Is there any rule we will call in a data transform? Come on. Is there any rule we will call in a data transform? Hello?
Yeah, we
Come
Can
on.
can
update status, right?
Uh,
By calling activity. I mean, Pega over OTP.
uh, yes, at that time, see this function only we will use, right? Sahiti? We will use this function only. Generic
Yes,
way
yes,
I
true.
updated it. Okay, again, see,
Uh,
specific activity name no need to specify. By using this function, we can call the activity. Yes.
yeah, so how can we do the exception handling? I think that also can be covered.
Okay, okay. Exception handling means to show the error messages and all right.
Yeah.
Okay, then that is a practical session. Next 3 days, I will discuss about the data transform.
Oh,
At that time,
okay. No,
okay, how
I
we will.
thought like here you'll take. Okay, no problem.
No, those things. Okay. See how to call the rules and then what is the use of data transform. When I'm going to explain practically about data transforms,
Okay.
that exception
Hmm.
handling and all will discuss now. So other than these rules, as per my experience, okay, we cannot call any other things. Activities are main thing is activities and databases only, bro. Main thing activities and databases under decision table. That's it. These three rules generally we will
So
call in a data
integrations also we can use, right? Data transform. You can use more, right, in integrations?
integrations means those integrations either you will call connect soap or connect rest. You will call any activity or database. That database or the report database or activity will call in a data transform. Already I updated right here. Directly you cannot call connect soap rule. Directly you
Mm,
cannot call connect rest rule. You will call either in a database or activity.
activity.
Those things
Okay.
you will call here like that.
Okay. Understand.
Sir, okay,
Arjun,
directly they will.
we can call one data transform from another data transform, right?
Yes,
By
bro.
using updated data.
Applied editor. That one I will write.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
I think other than this one, nothing, bro. Okay. Now we'll.
DSS really DSS
Sir, in
really
section also,
Those are the functions. Okay, functions. We'll discuss about when I'm going to discuss about functions. At that time, I will write how we will call DSS or application settings. Okay, those things how we will call when. Okay, when I'm going to explain about DSS clearly, I will write in a notepad. Okay.
Anil, we
sir,
can call field
sir, in
value,
section
right?
also we have one option is there on data transform option.
Section
Add a,
also.
add an action option. Add an action. Under that one option is there on data transform.
No, we are okay. Oh, okay. In a section, how we will call. See, in a data transform, how we will call. Okay. Now I'm going to discuss about in a data transform what are the rules we will call. Okay.
Okay, sir.
One more and one more.
Section we can call field value also, right?
A field value I updated last class itself. How we can call get a localized text function. Okay. Again, do you want to write? Last class when I discussed about field value at that time I updated right in a notepad by
Okay.
using a get localized text function.
Yeah.
Okay, again I will write. Generally, we will so many
What
times
if the
get localized like a text function, Pega OTB function. We can call the field value in a data transform. Again, by using someone told right. Okay, now itself I will write at the rate get data system settings. This is also one rule type, right? Okay, Pega OOTB functions. We can call the DSS rule.
We can call when rule also, right?
That one of the action, right? I will explain, bro.
Okay,
So
okay,
that is
okay,
one of the
okay.
action I will explain. Okay,
So,
next one.
like, hello?
Yes,
Like, what if the data transform is not in the class hierarchy? It's in other class.
that one. Okay, extension data transforms like that we will create. Okay, one data transform in okay parent data transform. Next one is okay child data transform like that we will call.
If it is in other class,
It is in other class means. Hmm.
not like in current class context, it's in other class context. You have to call the data
And
transform.
inheritance for right?
For inheritance, other than inheritance,
Yeah,
you cannot call, right? Any rule. Okay.
like if it's in data class like that.
Sorry, again we have option is available. What is the context? What is the use of pages and classes? What we will do in a pages and classes, we will specify the page name and class name, and then update page. One option we will take, and then inside this update page, we will specify the page name, and then we will use the apply data transform. I will show you.
Okay.
The page context, it will call the data transform. Okay, if it is not available with this class hierarchy, class inheritance, at that time we will specify the page name in pages and classes, and then update page you can select, and then inside this one apply data transform you can take like that. Okay, one more place also we will call. Okay, in a flow, in a flow, how we will call in a flow? Okay, in a flow how we will
Pre-processing,
call data
Uh,
transform?
post-processing.
On the shape. Yeah, in a flow like on that shape we can call.
In a flow how we will
Automation
call?
should be have
Designer
automation
bug
should
we
be
can
have
call.
In a flow, sir, how we
In
will
the
call
designer bug.
before assignment shape?
Oh.
It's a
Okay,
run data
or
transform.
else I will write here. Okay, one is a run data transform, another one is a incoming connector. In a flow under incoming connector or outgoing connector. Generally, we will call like that. Okay, na? In a data transform, how we will call is incoming connector, outgoing connector of assignment shape. Under assignment shape, we can call the data transform. Okay, that's it, bro. Okay, now I will create a data transform, and then I will show you what are the different options are available. How we will create a data transform? Right click on class, create a data model and data transform. Okay, this is the navigation we will follow to create a data transform. Now go here, follow the navigation. Now, theoretically, if someone is going to ask you today itself, now you can answer all. Okay, these are the possible options. Okay, these are the possible rules we will call in a data transform. Okay, give this one sample. Now click on create and open. Click on create and open. First we'll discuss what are the given what are the different actions are available. See, what are the different actions are available in the data transform like that people will ask you. Okay, now one by one we'll discuss these actions. Theoretically, what are the different options are available? Could you please explain one by one like that? Also, people will ask you. Okay, could you please explain what are the different actions are available? And then explain one by one what is the use of each action like that people will ask you. First one, we'll discuss about first action set. First one, set. What is the use of set? Sir, what is the use of set means first point itself. If you want to set the data to class properties. Sir, yesterday, few of the examples we discussed. First action when we will do is, for example, sir, yesterday we discussed about few of the examples. So, sir, I want to set full name equal to. Okay, first, I will write after that. Sir, whenever we want to set the values to, we want to set the data to class properties, then we can use set action. Sir, whenever we want to set the data to class properties, then we can use the set action. See, for example, first name. I want to set like that. Okay, I want to set Kiran. Last name. Okay, Kumar. Sir, yesterday, okay, some of the examples we discussed, right? For example, first name equal to, okay, full name equal to first name plus, okay, first name plus last name. Okay, similar way. See, okay, even uh, if we have some more examples, gender, I want to set some default value. I want to set some default value, male. See, whatever yesterday we discussed, okay, 12 examples. Okay, 12 examples. Sir, yesterday you don't know about data transforms, and yesterday you don't know about data transforms. Okay, now what you need to do is, okay, please, as an assignment, please complete those 12 examples by using data transforms. Okay, na today, same examples practice by using data transforms. Clear, everyone? Today's assignment. Sir, create a multiple data transforms. Now you know how to call the data transform in a flow action, in a section. In a section, you know. And even in a flow also. Okay, I updated down just now. Okay, please practice 12 examples. Okay, I will explain some different examples. Okay, 12 examples, please practice by using data transforms. Sir, yesterday you don't know, that's why I created the activity. Now you know about data transform. Now tell me, what is the rule you are going to create? Yesterday's requirement. Are you going to create activity or data transforms?
Activity.
Okay, no. Are you going to see same requirement if you are able to achieve by using data transforms and activity? What is the rule you will create? Pega itself, it is giving a big warning,
Data,
right? Data
Data
transform.
transfer.
data transfer.
No, data transform. And remember, yesterday you don't know. That's why we created the activity like that. Even I told also, you can ignore about these warnings. Now you know data transform. Immediately you need to think that. Okay, same requirement we can achieve by using data transforms. Then we will create data transforms here, data transforms here itself. So now like that, product ID equal to order ID, or sir, whatever it created, create multiple data transforms and call correct classes like that. Sir, you want to copy the order ID to product ID. Okay, gender or state equal to few of the examples we discussed, right? Similar, okay, all the examples you can, okay, you can create a data transform and then you can write a logic here. Sir, here what we are doing, set action. Okay, see here again, here action, target, relation, source. Sir, A equal to B means B is the source to A. A equal to 10. 10 is the source to A. A is the target, 10 is the source, equal is the relation between A and 10. What you are doing, you are setting 10 value to A, set action. Similar like that. Okay, what is your source means input. What is your input? What is your target? Source here you can either you can hard code the value, or else that source value, it is coming from some different property. We will specify that property. And which property you want to copy, okay, we will select that property. How we will access the properties? With the dot symbol, again dot symbol only. Okay, first action, whenever you want to set the values to class properties, we will use this one. Next one is the remove. Okay, next. Sir, in this scenario, in activity point of view, what is the method we will use? In this scenario, what is the method?
Property set.
Property set.
Property set.
Property set method. Okay. Next one is the remove. Sir, what is the use of remove method? Okay, what is the use of remove method? Okay. Sir, if you want to remove the property values from the clipboard, okay, if you want to remove the property values, from clipboard, then we can use remove action. Property values means, okay, single property means normal property, single or page or its page list or page group. Sir, different types of properties are available. Sir, different types of properties are available. Single properties, page property, page list, page group properties. We can remove those values from the clipboard. When you are going to write a logic, sometimes you need to clear the data, and then freshly you need to load those pages. At that time, what we will do? Okay, we will use the remove action. Same like in activity point, I will write here also, then people can understand easily. Sir, here what is the method we will use in activity point of view? Property set, right? By using property set method, in activity, we can set the values to class properties. Sir, okay, what is the method we will use here? Okay, whenever you want to clear the data, at that time, what we will do? We will use the remove and, okay, we will use the remove. Here, in activity point of view, what is the method we will use? We will use
Property remove or page
property remove and page remove. There are two methods are available. Sir, in case single property values, if you want to remove, okay, by using property remove method in activity, okay, we can remove the property values from clipboard. Sir, what is the use of page remove method? By using page remove method, we can remove the pages from clipboard. Pages, sometimes, sir, for logic purpose, we will create our own pages. Okay, own pages. At that time, what we will do? Okay, we will use the page remove method. Okay, by using page remove method, we can remove the pages from clipboard. Okay. Sir, next one. Sir, what is the use of whenever you want to clear? Okay, at that time, what we will, if it is a single, sir, now I want to clear this value. At that time, what we will do? You can use the remove action, and you can use the remove action. Sir, you can select the remove action, and then you can specify the property. In case if you create a custom pages, sir, I created one sample page here. Okay, I created one sample page. Logic purpose, I created one sample page. At that time, what you will do? You can select this one. Sorry, you can logic purpose, you specified some page name. Custom page means your own page you specified here. At that time, okay, after completion of your logic, we will remove. Okay, we will remove the pages whatever we created in a data transform. Okay, you can use this one, or else some page properties or page list properties here itself we can specify dot customer list. Customer is the page. Okay, now we can use like that for remove. Even if it is a page list property also, you can use like customer list like that. Sir, it will remove the pages from clipboard. Why we will remove means, sir, again you want to reload and then freshly you want to load this page. Okay, we will write a logic to set the data with this property, with this property, with this property, or with this property. Okay, at that time, again and again, if this data transform is calling, okay, at that time old results itself it will display. Okay, instead of that, sir, when it is loading this data transform within the thread, okay, you want to get updated results based upon the inputs at that time. Okay, above first initial steps, we will remove those pages. So practically, if I explain, then you will get to know. Okay, as of now, everyone is clear. What is the use of remove? If you want to remove any property, okay, property values from the clipboard, at that time we can use remove. Next one is the update. What is the use of update page? Okay, what is the use of update page? Sir, update page means, now here you can see. Okay, first I will write, after that we'll discuss. Sir, what is the use of update page here? If you want to copy the data from one page to another page property, then we can use same thing. Okay, if you want to copy the data from one page property to another page property, then we can use, okay, we can use okay, update page action, update page. For any activity, what is the method we will use? Okay, page copy method. And in activity, we will use this method by using page copy method. Page copy method in activity, we can copy the data from one page property to another page property. Okay, sir. Okay, example I will tell you, sir. Okay, observe here. Okay, when you want to copy the data from one page to another page property. Okay, you can refer data pages or whatever you want. So now here you can see here now customer details, customer page. Okay, this is the one page, and in this page contains customer ID, customer name, and customer, okay, location and gender. So now this is the page. Page means, okay, I will write again. We'll discuss that one also. Maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Practically, when I'm going to create a page properties, I will write in a notepad also. Page means single property, single page with multiple property values. Okay, sir, this is the page property. In this page property contains multiple properties and values. Sir, in this page contains these property values. Now primary customer, there is a one more page. Sir, one more page. Sir, now I want to copy the data. Whatever data is available here, this page contains, sir, in this page contains this data. In this page contains, okay, data, this data, and I want to copy this data. Sir, whatever data is available, whatever, this is a different page, this is the different page. I want to copy the data from this page to this page. At that time, what we will do is here, okay, you can specify, okay, with values from, you can select this with values from where you want to copy. Okay, either, sir, you can give the dot symbol, either depends. If you create some custom pages, no need to give the dot symbol. Okay, this one already we discussed. Sir, in case created property values only you want to copy, sir, this is the page only we will specify here. For example, customer is the one page. Sir, now you want to copy to primary customer, this is also one page. Sir, in this page contains what type of properties, now we will include. Sir, this is the only one step, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Here now you can give customer ID, and here now you want to copy to customer ID. See, now what do you mean? Okay, now here you can again give this one.
If page refers to different class, then also you can copy, right?
Yes, yes, different classes or same classes also we can use, bro. Okay, it's not a mandatory, both should be same. Okay, na?
Okay, okay.
Okay, now here you can observe, and now I'm copying the details. What are the details now you are copying? Okay, what are the details now you are copying here. Okay, sir, now this is your source page, this is your target page. In this page contains customer id, customer name, and gender. So these properties values you want to copy into this page. In this page you want to copy customer id, customer name, gender, like that. Okay, you want to copy the data from these properties. This from this page to this page means we will declare like that. Okay, so whenever you want to copy the data from one page to another page, we will use the update page. Okay, we will use the update page. Okay, in activity point of view, what is the method we will use? Page copy method. And okay, I think this one also clear everyone. Okay, now I'm going to delete this one also. Sir, next one is the apply data transform. Okay, many people are asking, right? Apply data transform. What is the how we can call from one data transform to another data transform? Apply data transform. Sir, how we can call from one activity to another activity? How we can call
Call
from
branch,
call
call
branch?
branch.
Branch queue.
Same here, some reusable Pega OOTB activities are available. Sir, now I want to flush the database data. Sir, we have one Pega provided, okay, PX clear, some database is available. Some database is available. Sir, now this is the Pega data transform. Okay, Pega OOTB data transform. So this is the Pega OOTB data transform to flush the database results. To flush the database results, Pega created one, okay, one data transform. So now I want to call, so to clear the data, I want to call this data transform. So this is my custom activity. I called here. Sir, or else one of the our team member created one data transform. Okay, he updated reusable logic. So now I want to call the data transform into my data transform. At that time, we can use this one. Okay, apply data transform. Okay, sir, if you want to call from one data transform to another data transform, then we can use apply data transform. Apply data transform. Okay, sir, in activity call branch, like that we will use. And remember, sir, okay, here we will use like that. Now observe here, so one of the person asked, right? Sir, here now again you can observe. Okay, 1 minute, I will tell you. Select this one, sir. Here within the this inheritance path, sir, you can whatever data transforms are available, this data transform is not available in my, okay, in my class inheritance path. My current class, this data transform is not available. My parent classes, this data transform is not available, but I am able to call because, okay, this data transform is available within inheritance path. Within inheritance path, again here, for example, sir, now if whatever data transforms are available in bc-bank, bc-bank-card, bc-bank-card, bc loan, work, everywhere we can call into in our data transform. Generally we will do like that. Sir, in case your data transform is available in some different context, different class, okay, that data transform you want to call, but here when you are calling, it is showing error. Okay, at that time what we will do is, here you can specify any page name and then class name you can specify. Okay, after that, now come here, you can select the update, okay, update page. Now you can give the page name if it is a different context, IHL. Okay, right? Now, sir, now here you can call a data transform. Sir, whatever data transform now you are going to call, it will run on this page context. Okay, na? Whoever asked, IHL, someone asked, right? Hello? Fine, right now. Sir, in case if a data transform is available in a different context, we can call like that. Okay. Sir, again, how to pass the parameters from one data transform to another data transform? How to pass the parameters from one data transform to similar like activity and to another data transform. Sir, for example, my data transform is expecting some parameters. How we can pass those parameters? Okay, sir. When you are calling a data transform within the data transform by using apply data transform. If this data transform is expecting a parameters, now you can open this one. Okay, this data transform is expecting one parameter here. Okay, here this is the one data transform. Data transform is expecting a data page name parameter. How we can pass is again here. You can see the gear icon. Okay, when you are calling a data transform within the data transform by using apply data transform action, there we have one option is available, gear icon. Click on this gear icon. Sir, you can specify. For example, now I want to clear this database. Get customer details. Now we will specify. Sir, now get customer details, like that we will specify. And then click on submit. This is the way to pass the parameters. Or else, sir, now my data transform, sir, now param dot data page name. And then you can specify data page name. D underscore get product details. Sir, now we can specify like that, and then you can check the checkbox. You can check the checkbox. Okay, everyone is clear how you are passing a parameters to your data transform? Okay, whatever data transform is expecting a parameters, how we can pass the parameters? Everyone. Because this one also people will ask you one. How we can pass the parameters to your called
By using to gear icon.
gear icon. You can click on this gear icon and then you can check pass current parameter page, or else directly you can specify here. Before that apply data transform action, we will set some parameters and then we can check the checkbox. Okay, na? Everyone.
Yes,
Okay,
okay.
under apply data transform action, we will click on gear icon. Click on gear icon and pass the parameters or check the pass current parameter page checkbox. Before apply data transform action, we will set the parameters by using set action. Okay, that's it. Okay, this one also important one, people will ask you. Okay, now you know how to call data transform. Okay, next one. The next one is a sort. What is the use of sort? Okay, what is the use of sort? Fifth one, sort. Tell me what is name itself it is showing. Name itself it is showing what is the use of sort. Okay, page list property we will specify, and page list property we will specify as a source. For example, today how many people joined? 108 people joined. Sir, if you observe your names, how it is showing? It's like alphabetic wise, right? Ascending order with your name. Agree? With your name ascending order. Okay, sir. Okay, when we will use this one is sometimes business will ask us when you are displaying the list of customer details or product details or order details in a UI. Sometimes, okay, they will ask us, is it possible to display in the form of ascending order or descending order based upon location, based upon create date time or update date time, like that. Sometimes they will ask us that based upon create date time, is it possible to display the results in a UI, like that people will ask you. Or else based upon the urgency, could you please display the list of results either ascending order or descending order, like that people will ask us or not. Come on. Sir, you have some list of results, bro. Simple example I will tell you. Okay, your case details. List up to now whatever cases we created, all pending cases, all resolved cases. Now I want to display in a UI. At that time I asked, hey Bhaskar, while displaying, could you please display ascending order based upon the create date time? Based upon create date time. At that time what we will do, okay, we will use this, so okay, not this one, different, even data report definition, some different options are available, activity, some different options are available. In the data transform, it is giving some results. In the data transform also one option is available. Okay, how we will use is here, first I will copy from here. What is the use of sort action? Okay, if you want to sort the page list results either in ascending order or descending order, then we can use sort action. Okay, then we can use sort action. Okay, sort action. Sir, in activity, what is the method we will use? Come on. In activity, what is the method we will use to achieve this one?
It's
OBS.
OBJ sort method. Sir, OBJ sort method. Okay, by using OBJ sort method in activity. Okay, we can sort the page list results in the form of ascending or descending order. Okay, sir, now for example I have some customer details, customer list, like that you can think of. Sir, this is my page list property. Page list property need to specify. Okay, we need to specify the page list property.
only play page list property or
Only page list only. Okay, clearly it is showing, right, bro? Placeholder. Okay, sir, we will specify the page list property. Sir, where we can specify whether it is ascending order or descending order, or based upon this field will display ascending or descending order, means you can click on this gear icon. Now click this one. Now what property? For example, customer list is the page list property, contains a multiple results, multiple pages. Each page contains the customer ID, customer name, customer age, and location. So based upon the customer age, now I want to display ascending order. At that time we will specify customer age. After that, now, okay, based upon customer age, now you are displaying ascending order or else descending order. Which one you want to use, you can use it. Sir, now which one you want to use, you can use. Either you want to display ascending order or whether you want to display descending order, you can use this one. Okay, sir, what is the use of this one, ascending? Sir, what is the use of ascending order? See now this one, so OBJ sort option. Now you are clear, right, everyone? Hello? Okay, whenever you want to display page list results in the form of ascending order or descending order, at that time we can use this sort option. Okay, next one is comment. What is the use of comment? What is the use of comment?
Provide
Sir,
message.
sir, what is the use of comment is, for example, and okay, now I created one data transform. In the data transform, now I added 20 steps. 20 steps. Sir, now you want to update this data transform. Okay, data transform. Okay, as per one of the defect or new requirement, you want to update or you want to modify existing data transform itself. You modified. Suddenly, after 2 months, I asked you, okay, Bhaskar, what you modified in this data transform? Or else, okay, you are in the same project. Suddenly, I asked you what you modified, where you modified. Is it possible to remember? Hmm. It's very difficult, right, bro?
Can give the meaningful comment.
Okay, what we will do is we will give some meaningful comments. Okay, this one also please do. Okay, when you are adding any steps, please write a logic. Okay, give some meaningful comments. For this, here we are doing some this one. Here we are doing this one. We are copying a customer details. Getting a customer details. Give some meaningful comments. You are resolving the case. You are resolving the case means now you can write a lot. You can write one meaningful comment. Sir, is it mandatory to give the comments means no. Sir, what we will do is now here, for example, okay, now you can see here. See here now I'm writing, okay, connecting, okay, see here, copy customer details from external system. Copy starts. Now you can give like that and you can give like that. See, then people can understand. Sir, now here, sir, now again, okay, what people will do now again, after that, okay, they will give like that. Okay, in between these steps, see, ends. In case if you want to modify, okay, or else add some more additional properties. When you are getting a data from external system at that time, you want to add some more additional properties. Easily you can understand and then you can update or else add the steps in between these two comments. Agree? Again you can write not only this one. After that, now again you are writing some different logic. Okay, again you are capturing some history related one, audit history you are related one. Okay, now you can give capturing up. Okay, audit history. Like that we will give the comments, then people can understand that okay, what we are doing here. Purpose of the data transform, purpose of the steps what we are adding, or else see some there is a one defect, okay, defect, for that defect purpose you added two steps, okay, to fix. Now no need to give some description to fix defect id. Okay, defect id. Okay, now people can open this defect and then they can check. In case if you didn't give meaningful comment, to fix this one, added below two steps. Give some meaningful comments and okay, now here, okay, we will provide the, in case if you want to provide the meaningful meaningful comments or meaningful description. Then we can use comment action. Okay, comment action. Next one. Sir, next one is when. Okay. Sir, yesterday a few of the examples we discussed based upon the when condition. Okay. Now, okay, we are setting even assignments also I gave. Based upon when conditions, you need to set the data, right? Yesterday's example. Three examples based upon when condition, you need to set the data or not.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now observe here.
Agree.
For example, sir, now even validations also, not only this one, and say if this valid condition is satisfied, okay, for example, then only you can copy the data. See how we will, either you can separately you can use like that, separately you can use like that. Within the rule also we can use. For example, if customer type equal to, okay, customer type equal to diamond, okay, diamond customer, I want to set some data, okay, bonus I want to set, okay, 5,000. 5,000. See, either you can use like that. Sir, when I'm going to copy the data, see, update the page. Even within the steps also, and within the steps, now I'm copying the data from one page to another page. Okay, when I'm copying the data from, this is one page. Okay, within the other steps also we can use this when condition. Primary customer. Okay, now I want to check when condition. Sir, when I'm copying a data here, just like you can think that customer ID or customer is, see customer is or else location. Okay, sir, here now I'm going to set that value to some property. After that, what is my requirement? I'm going to check when condition. Okay, when greater than 45, then only I want to copy. Then only I want to copy. Now I'm going to specify. Sir, within the actions also we can use, and sir, within the actions also we can use separately. First. This is one scenario. Sir, within the actions, now you are checking, you are copying the data. Always you don't want to copy age value. If age is greater than, say, okay, greater than 45, then only you want to copy that value to your primary page. Otherwise, I don't want. Sir, now you added this when condition within the other actions. Within the other actions also we can use like that. And sir, now diamond equal to, sir, customer type equal diamond. I want to set some values. Now we can use this different combinations are available here. When no, otherwise, when no, otherwise. Okay, I will write here. Second one, next one is when no, otherwise, when no, otherwise. Okay, remember these points also. Sir, okay, whenever you want to set the values to class properties based upon some conditions. Okay, based upon some conditions, blindly based upon when conditions. If you want to set the values to class properties, then we can use, okay, these three. Okay, sir, is it mandatory to use these three? Then we can use these actions. Okay, we'll discuss one by one. Okay, these actions. Okay, now we can observe here. Sorry, okay, this is the one condition. Sorry, now I used when condition. Is it mandatory to use otherwise, when and otherwise? Come on. Is it mandatory to use otherwise, when and otherwise? When I'm using the when, is it mandatory to use otherwise, when and otherwise? Otherwise, when? No, right?
No.
Okay. Okay, remember this point also. Sir, okay. Next one. Sir, when we can use otherwise, when? And when we can use otherwise. Okay, this is the one combination. Just I want to check this combination, bro. That's it. Okay, so now my requirement is changed. Hey, customer type equal to diamond. Now we can set this value. Fine. Other than any customer, I want to set 1,000 rupees bonus. Other than any customer, I want to set some 1,000 rupees. Now what we will do, bro? Sir, this one is the 1.1. Now you are checking customer type equal to diamond. Other than anyone means, see, observe one day. I'm not going to write inside. This is 1.1. Okay. Sir, two step. Sir, first it will execute this one. After that, inside this condition is satisfied, it will execute this one. Okay, if this condition is not satisfied, now what you are saying is, okay, sir, other than any customer, other than a diamond customer, I want to set at that time. Now I'm using. Now my requirement is changed. Now I'm using this one. Sir, now I'm using this one. Sir, now see here. Now I'm going to set 2,000. Sir, if this condition is satisfied, then it will execute. Otherwise, see, step one, it will execute. Okay, simple and like that. Oh, if this condition is satisfied, then it will go inside, it will execute the steps. Otherwise, it will go here, it will set the value 1,000. Clear? Sir, without when, is it possible to use the otherwise? Without when, is it possible to use otherwise?
No.
No.
Okay, remember, and without when, we cannot use the otherwise. Okay, we cannot use otherwise without when. Okay, next one. So now you know this combination, right? How to use when and otherwise when? Everyone. Everyone practically also will discuss, and no worries. Okay, now you know. Okay, second one, bro. Okay, other than any customer you are setting like that, right? No, I want to check multiple when conditions. Sir, if it is a, okay, diamond customer, this one, Okay, if it is okay, diamond gold customer, I want to set some different one. Whenever you want to check multiple when conditions, and silver customers, I want to set some different one. Okay, now see what you are doing, bro. Now in this logic, come on, in this logic, what you are doing now?
Multiple when
Checking
conditions.
Now
multiple conditions.
multiple conditions you are checking, and then you are setting a data. Now again you can think and tell me, sir, when I used when otherwise, when is it mandatory to use otherwise?
No, no,
No. Okay, remember all these combinations. Okay, is it possible to use without when, otherwise when? Without when, is it possible to use otherwise when? No, and
no.
no. Sir, now see here what it is doing. Oh, it is checking this condition. Again, you want to check one more when condition. At the time, sir, people will some depends, bro. Some people will write like when everywhere we will write like that. Sir, now same combination only you are checking, right? It's better to give like that. Okay, otherwise when. Sir, okay, other than diamond, gold, silver customer, okay, I want to set some different value. Then we can use this one also. Bonus to okay 1000. Okay, like that we will use with these combinations. Everyone is clear about when otherwise. Okay, na everyone. Sir, here
Screen.
ఏంటండి okay fine. Now everyone is clear when otherwise. Sir, how to we will call the vendor. See, I written the expression and it's not a mandatory to write expression. You can down here in your keypad. Now we can call the when rule also. Okay, we can call the when rules also. Okay, sir, you directly can call the when rule or else you can write a expression. Okay, directly you can write a expression. Okay, this is the one thing. Sir, next one is okay, now I will remove. Sir, the next one is the important one. Next one. Sir, next one is the sir this one append to. Okay, next one also append and map to. Okay, these two are okay, very important options. Even interview point of view also, people will ask you append to, append and map to. Sir, what is the use of append to, append and map to? Like that, people will ask you. What is the difference between append to, append and map to? Also, people will ask you one day. Append to and append and map to also, people will ask you what is the difference between these two. Also, people will ask you what is the use of append to, what is the use of append and map to, or else when we can use append to, when we can use append and map to. Sir, in the name itself, append in general, what do you mean by append? Append, insert,
Add
Add.
add.
something at
Okay,
the end.
Join.
add or add or else insert. We can say like that. Okay, okay. Sir, now we will discuss about this
Yeah.
one in depth about append to and append and map to. And sir, what is the differences and all? Sir, first I will write what is the purpose of the append to, append and map to. Okay, sir, if you want to, okay, I'm going to write first what is the use of append to. If you want to copy the data from one page list property to another page list property. Okay, if you want to copy the data from one page list property to another page list property, or one page property to okay another page, okay, one page list property to page list property. Okay, then we can use append to. action. Sir, interior point of view, if they ask you how we can copy the data from one page list to another page list or page to page list, at that time immediately you can say append and map to, like that you can say. Okay. Sir, then what is the difference? Both are same only. Both are same only. What is the difference? Okay. Now, okay, I will give one example. Sir, now here there is a one page list. Page list means, okay, I will write this one also. Maybe practically I will discuss, okay, tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Page property means, okay, page property means single page with multiple property values. Sir, PY work page is PY work page is a single page, right, bro? Everyone, PY work page is a single page or not? Hello?
Yes, yes,
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
PY work page is a single page, and that PY work page contains multiple property values. Agree?
yes, yes.
Okay, multiple property values. You can think like, oh, is means, oh, that is the one page. In that page contains a multiple property values. Like that, you can think. Okay. Sir, what about name itself? It is telling that page list. Page list property means multiple pages with multiple
Values.
property values. Multiple property values. Okay, just we can remember this one. Okay, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I will create this page and page list properties, and then how we can access, we'll discuss. And now come here. Okay, now tell me, bro, this is the one page list property. Okay, and sir, now, okay, primary contact. Okay, sir, now this is the one page list property. This is the another page list property, bro. Okay, sir, here customer ID. Okay, customer name. Okay, customer age and location. Customer, okay, these are the properties are available. Okay, these are the properties are available. Each page contains this property information. Okay, each page contains this property information. Okay, now what is my requirement, bro? Here, okay, sir, this is my source page list. This is my target page list. Sir, in this page list contains, just like example purpose, in this page list contains 10 customer details. In this page list contains 10 customer details. I want to copy these 10 customer details to, okay, these 10 customer details to, okay, 10 customer details to my source page list. Sir, these 10 customer details to, now, okay, I want to copy to here. Sir, 10 customers are available. Those 10 customers, 10 customer details now I want to copy to here. Okay, this is the one required. I told that if you want to copy the data from one page list property to another page list property. Oh, in this is my source page list. In this source, okay, I will write like that source. Okay, and this is my target. 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 Okay, see, okay, this in this source page contains 10 pages. Each page contains a customer ID, customer name, customer age, and location. You want to copy into, okay, this is your source target page list, and each page these property values or these properties you want to copy. Okay, sir, this is the one scenario. Next scenario is, okay, scenario is primary dependent name. Primary dependent name and dependent list. Dependent list. Sir, now next scenario, okay, now here dependent, dependent, okay, name, age, okay, age, date of birth, and location, or else relationship. Okay, relationship. Sir, okay, now see here, okay. Vice versa. Sir, now see, now when I'm going to add the primary dependent details at that time. So this is the page property. This is the page list, and okay, source page list. I will write like that. Source page list. Okay. Oh, this is the target page list. Page list. Target page list. Okay. Now what is your requirement? Okay. Okay. In this page list contains 10 results you want to copy here. This is the one scenario. At that time we can use. Sir, this is my okay here. Okay, page list means list of pages. This is the single page. Sir, when I am going to add the source page. Okay, when I am going to add only one, only we will add. See, page means single one dependent, primary dependent. See, here we will add and one dependent. When I am going to add, okay, now I want to copy to my target page list. What is your target? Okay, target page list. So this is your target page list. Okay, now you want to copy the data from your source page. In the source page, it contains page means single page, and okay, contains these values. You want to copy these values into your target page list. Target page list. Simple. See, for example, now I am working. I'm unmarried. See, after 1 month, I'm going to marry. At that time, I will add my dependent details, right? Okay, how I will add? One by one. One by one, right? First I will add my wife, father, mother, like that one by one. When I am going to add, automatically first my father details will copy to my list. Second, my mother details will copy to my list. Second, my wife details will copy to my list. Second one, my kid details it will copy. Agree, everyone? Hello? Sir, one dependent details I will enter. I want to copy it into this list. Okay, clear and everyone?
Yes.
Sir, okay, when we that one only I updated. So here, what is the use of append to and map to? Okay, whenever you want to copy the data from okay one page list to another page list, this is the scenario. Okay, sir, then what is the difference? Okay, now I'm going to copy. Same here also, same only. Okay, you can explain like that when we can use like take one scenario and then you can explain. Okay, now come here. So then what is the difference? Both are same, right? Okay, now see here. Okay. Sir, here this is this page list property. You belongs to X class. X class, and this page list is belongs to X class. Means you created in this X class like that. You can think, bro. Okay, this one also X class. Okay, sir. Now what is your observation? Now you can tell me. This one also X class and this one also X class. What is your observation? Now you can tell me. Sorry, whatever I'm going to write, right, based upon this one, now you can tell me, okay, what is your observation? This is the X class.
See.
Okay, this
Same
one,
class.
okay, X class, X or Y or Z class. Z class. Now, what is your observation? Now, you can tell me when we can use append to Z. Okay, Z class.
When source and target properties are the same class, then we can use append to. When source and target properties are different class, then we can use the append and map to.
Up to, and that's it, bro. Okay, clearly you can explain. Sir, so many times. Okay, we will get some issues. Compatibility issues like that. Target and source when you are using. Sir, if source and target properties, see, when we will use the append to, when your source and target page list are same, when your source and target page list classes are same, at that time what we will do, which one we will use, we will use append to. Okay, na everyone? Clear? Sir, is it mandatory? What about append and map to? Is it mandatory that source and target should be mandatory? It's not a mandatory, and different classes or same classes also we can use append to. Come on, everyone, clear, right? Sir, what is the difference between append and map to? Okay. Sir, now this one also clear. Sir, what is the use of append and map to? Sir, X class and this one primary list X or Y or Z. Okay, now whenever you want to copy the data from okay, one page list to another page list, when you are going to write a logic at that time, you can think, sir, when I used append to, I'm getting some compatibility issue. At that time, immediately think that maybe my source and target page list both are different classes. That's why I'm getting this error. At that time, what we will use? We will use append and map to. Okay, this is the one difference. Next difference is okay, bro. Here you are copying a data, bro. Okay, here you are copying a data. Okay, in this source page list contains all these properties. Okay, na? This target properties also you want to copy. Sir, when you are copying from source page or page list to your target page list, I don't want to copy all. I don't want to copy all the results. I want to copy only customer ID, customer name. Okay, in the source page contains many properties results, but I don't want all. I don't want all. I want only customer ID and customer name. Now go here and see. And here different options are available. We'll discuss those options also. Sir, now you can observe, bro. Sir, now here now I used this one. Now I'm going to specify customer list. Customer list. Okay, it will take some more time and okay. Primary customer list. Okay, primary customer list. Now see here. Okay, this is the one page list. This is the another page list. Now here also I will specify. Okay, here also I will specify, bro. Sir, now what it will do, it will copy each page, whatever properties are available, automatically it will copy all the reals into in this page list, all the properties. No, I want to copy only specific values. At that time, is it possible to achieve by using append to? I don't want to copy all. I don't want to copy all. I want to copy only these two.
No, it will not.
That time you can.
Sir, now we can even you can copy all the values by using append to or else specific values also. Sir, specific values also. Okay, clear and what is the difference between append and map to and append to? Okay, common questions people will ask you. Sir, now what is the use of these options? We'll discuss. Sir, now you want to create a new page, new blank. See, when you are using this one, what it will do? It will create one new blank page. Okay, primary customer list of one. Like that, it will create one blank page. In that is whatever data you want to set, you can set. Okay, similar here also, it will create one blank page. In this blank page, now here we are getting option to set the data. Here we need to set the data. Okay, manually. What we will do, sir, now it will create one blank page. In that blank page, do you want to set some data? Okay, we can use this append to append and new page. Here, what it will do, here also, it will create one new page. In this page, what data now you want to set? Now I want to set like that. Okay, I want to set like that. Okay, sir, now even all options are same only. Exit page. Sir, you
So
want,
I
yes.
I have one doubt. In step one, append to primary customer list, and you are giving a new page. So in first step, what will happen? How we will configure in the first case?
It will create some blank page. Okay, after see how we will do is we will not. Are we going to add similar like separately like that? For example, separately, are you going to add like that independently, separate
No.
okay, with this step? At that time, what it will do? At that time, what it will do? It will create one blank page, right? Come on.
Yes.
In case if you create
Yes.
a blank page, how we will set the data? Again,
Acha, okay. You will set manually. Okay, okay. We
manually.
have to set
And
it manually.
now here
Hmm.
what we are doing, here you are setting a new page and then you can set the value. Okay.
Okay, got it. Yeah. Mhm.
Sir, now
Observe
again,
like a page new in activity.
yes, yes. Okay, they even sorry and okay. One of the interview question also people will ask you how we will create a page in a clipboard by using data transform. How we will create a pages in a data transform by using data transform. How we will create pages? It's an activity by using page new method. Here it will create a new page by using append to. When you are selecting a new page, it will create a new page. This is the one way Okay, or else we can use the update page also. Update page also, it will create a new page, right, bro? For example, if I specify my name, this is not a property. Now I'm going to specify. It will create a page in a clipboard, right? Hello, everyone. Now I can set the data, customer. Sir, in this page, now I'm setting a data and see, now I'm going to set like that. Yes or no? Hello, customer.
Yes.
Yeah,
Sir,
that's
in this
Yes.
part, sir, now this is the one way, this is the another way. Okay, people will ask you this question also: how we will create a pages by using data transform. Sir, either we can use append to and append to map to, or else update the page. Okay, by using these things, we can create a pages. Next one is source page. Okay, this one new page. New page means if you want to copy the data from this page to page list, at that time you can give, sir, what is the page, we will specify that page name. For example, now I want to specify, sir, customer page. In this customer page, whatever details are available, okay, you want to copy into in this page list, we will specify this one. Practically, when if I explain, then you people can understand easily. Okay, no worries, I will explain next 3 days. We'll discuss about data transforms only. Okay, sir, now customer id of customer page contains the customer id, customer location, customer name. These two values I'm copying into my target page list. Okay, sir, next one is this one, source page. Sir, when even and this one also, when we will use new page, when we will use okay, new page means, for example, when you are looping a list of results. Okay, now I want to loop list of results, bro. This is one of the page list property. Sir, customer list. Now what is your requirement? You want to copy the data, from this page list to, okay, from this page list to, now I'm going to use this one. Sir, now I'm going to use this one. Okay, for example, now here you can see, now what it will do, bro? Come on, everyone, what it will do now? Okay, customer id. Now what it will do? Like that also we will do or not? Guess and tell me. You are looping this list of results, and then each loop, it will create one new page, and then you are setting from this page, each page of customer id to in this page, in this page list. Agree?
Yes, yes.
This is the
Yes.
actual scenario, bro. Actual scenario like that. We will create a new page. Okay, we will create a new page, and then okay, we will say, see, even are you going to do like that? No, different ways also we will do. It's not a mandatory. See, we will use the set also. I'm telling different ways. Why you are doing like that? Sir, we can do like that also, right? Yes, we can do like that also. Sir, now I can use some append and map to. Sir, here we will use some functions. Okay, some indexes we will use, and then we can set the values. People will write logic like that also, right? This one also correct or not? Come on. Hello?
Yes.
That
Yeah.
depends on the developer, right, bro? Depends on the developer. You can think like previously also one, that is the one way. This is also one of the way. Okay. Sir, similar even, okay, now here now existing page. If you want to copy the data from some existing page, at that time we can use this one. Sir, now source. Sir, now again this one is a source. What is the use of current page source? Current page source. Tell me, anyone. What is the use of current page source? Okay, now I'm going to use this one. What it will do?
Primary customer list is the current source page.
This is the,
Yeah,
what is your loop?
yeah. Customer list. Customer
Uh,
list is the current source page. Yeah.
Customer list is your current source page. You are copying to where?
Copying to primary
Yes,
customer list.
primary. Sir, it will consider like a, each page of each current page. Sir, current of one, current of two, loop number one, loop number two, loop number three. Which one, sir? This one is loop number one. Like that, how you are saying one. One based upon one. Similar here, current source page, each page of this one you can copy to this target page list. At that time we can use this source page. Okay, again, in case if we want to copy the data from one page list to another page list, we can use here. You can specify the page list, and then you can specify the page list, and then whatever properties you want to copy, you can copy from this source page, so target page, sorry, source page list to target page list. Each properties we will specify here. If you are using, okay, here if you are using at that time, okay, no need to specify, automatically it will copy the details. Sir, this is the difference between, even here also when you are copying also, here we can call the when rule, and if you click this one, you can call the when rule. When you are copying the data from your source to target, or based upon when condition you want to copy, you can specify the when condition also. Okay, these are the options
Based
are
on the
available.
source page condition. If I
Yes,
want to put some condition on the source page, then
yes,
it will add it in the target page, right?
yes. For example, this is the customer page list. Okay, customer list, this is the primary customer list. I don't want to copy all the results into in this okay, target page list. At that time, what is my requirement is, now I'm going to give like a customer location equal to whoever in Chennai location, I want to copy only those customer details. What it will do, it will copy only Chennai results into your target page list. In case if you want to do like that, here itself we can add a condition. Okay, na? Clear, right, everyone?
Yes, yes, clear.
Okay, sir, now you people can explain about append and map to, right, clearly. Practically I will discuss the next 3 days about data transforms with examples only we will discuss. Okay, now I will tell you, sir, when we use append to come on, source
Source
and
and target
target
are
properties should be
in
same
same
class.
class. Same class.
Next one, when we use append to, okay, it will, come on, it will copy the source page list properties properties values into
Target
target
page list.
page list properties. Okay, it will copy all. Okay, I will update like that, bro. Okay, na, all call source property values into target page list. What about here? Come on, what about here? Okay, when you use append to, the source and target properties should be, may or may not be, may or may not be, agree?
Yes.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Same class, different class also we can use. Sorry, could I all or some
Or some properties.
some properties we can access clearly. You can say, okay, what is the difference between append to and map to and append? Okay, sir, I will take some more minutes to say, so I want to explain about, okay, remaining options, what is the use of superclass, 10 more minutes, and okay, please wait. Okay, next one is tomorrow. Next 3 days we'll discuss about practical things. Today we will close the theoretical session. Okay. Now next one we will discuss. Sir, what is the use of for each page in? Now tell me, you people only, for each page in,
For looping purpose, we
for
can
looping
use.
purpose. Okay, for looping purpose we will use. Okay, for each page in. Okay, whenever you want to loop. Okay, again here itself. Okay, whenever you want to loop the list of page list property results, okay, we can use, okay, then we can use for each page in action. Okay, for each page in action. Sir, think that here blindly, and sir, you updated in first sentence you updated, what is the use of, some of the people I observed when I'm taking mock interviews, at that time people are telling, what is the use of data transforms, people by adding that sentence and then they're updating. Sir, whenever you want to set the values, whenever you want to copy uh, uh, properties based upon some condition, one page list to another page list, Okay, or else loop the list of page list results. If you want to sort the page list results either in ascending order or descending order, at that time we can use this okay append sorry, we can use the data transform like that they are telling. Okay, tell me, give me one example. Give me one example. People are not, now they are in silent. Now simply theoretically you prepared, that's it. See here, why here, why I updated, see why I updated here all these points. Sir, your decision table will give some results, your database will give some results. Okay, sir, now why you are calling data, why you are calling DSS? Why you are calling DSS? The DSS contains some value, that value you are setting. You can give that exam. Sir, finally you are setting a data, right, bro? Whatever actions are available. Through some different rules. Give the examples. Okay, if you are by hiding only this one, they will ask you, give me one example. Okay, how you are copying the data from page list to another page list. Now we can think that sir, I created one database. The database will get the results from some different system. Patient details. My database will get the results from some different system. Patient details. Those patient details I want to copy into some different page. I called the database in a data transform. In a data transform, the database results now I copied into some different property. I'm giving one example. Okay, with see, if they cross question you at that time, you need to answer. And okay, almost data pages, how many times we call data pages in our scenarios? Whoever is working employees, mostly we will call data pages, right? Come on, we will call data pages only, right?
Yes, yes.
Mostly they see why, because database only contains the results. Those data pages need to refer. Give those examples. Theoretically, if you are preparing and then if you are explaining, they will ask you. Now whoever is working employees, now you people knows, Array, oh, all these scenarios, now we are using a data transform. Now with example you can explain to them. Now you know what is the use of append to and map to, clear. Now we can explain to them. So, okay, now here for each page in means what is the use of for each page in. Whenever I want to loop some list of, say for example, same, okay, I explained now just now. Say for example, sir, bro, okay sir, for example, just and now I will give database, sir, database. This is a customer list dot px results. Customer dot px results. Just you can think that this is my database. Okay, in this database contain 10 results. Now what do you want? Okay, now I want to copy into some different page list. Different page list. Okay, do you want to copy all the results? Okay, do you want to copy all the results? Okay, do you want to copy all the results? Okay, now yes, I want to copy all the results. Okay, now I will do this one. Now I'm going to write a lot. See, all syntaxes I will explain and don't, no worries. Okay, now we can use append to. Now I'm copying a customer ID of your customer ID. Again, customer ID. Okay, sir, now you are copying a result. This is the way you are copying. Okay, now I am copying a customer name also. Okay, now you are looping your database and then you are copying into. Now I am giving here last. This is the one way. Okay, this is the one way. Now say, sorry, again, what is the use of also use each page as a source context? Sir, now you can observe here. This database is belongs to data hyphen customer class. Sir, okay, when I'm going to give the dot symbol, sir, now this what is the context now? What is the context of your database now? Work
Home loan.
hyphen
Yes, right.
loan. But what is generally when you are looping? What context basis you need to loop?
The
Data hyphen
customer.
customer class. At that time, what we will do? We will check the checkbox. On what context, sir? Now you want to loop this current page context. Current page context. This page context only you want to loop. At that time, what we will do? We will check the checkbox. Okay, sir, either we can do like that, or else, okay, this is the one scenario. Okay, now you are looping and then you are copying into some different page list, or else, okay, now see here, sir, okay, here contains some results, customer page, customer list contains some results. Okay, now, sir, whoever, wherever, now again I'm going to add one more when condition location equal to Chennai. Okay, now what you are doing, now you want to update something, you want to update when location equal to Chennai, location now I want to update to Pune. Wherever location equal to Chennai in this list, what it will update now? Come on, what it will update? See, now
First row
again,
with location.
now you are looping your page list, and you are checking a when condition. If this when condition is satisfied, each page of customer page, customer list, it will update to Pune wherever Chennai is available. Sir, now you are looping a list of results and then you are copying. Okay, next one, bro. Sir, what is the use of this one for exit for each? What is the
Sir, I have one question. Like, if we uncheck that checkbox, then what will be the context?
where you created the data transform? Wherever you created
Um.
the data transform,
Okay.
whatever means
That.
whatever class you created the data transform,
Uh,
that is the context.
okay. Okay. And if I check that one, then whichever the customer list, the whatever the class in which that created, then that will be the context.
Context, yes.
Fine, fine. And sir, like for each page in, and we have that each page in, both are same. No, then like we have like in append and map to, we have four options: new page, add like new page, exit, new page, and then we have each page in. So that is also same as for each page in, right?
Yes, sorry, each page in, when, okay, we have an option from append to, append and map to, and
Huh.
here
Yeah.
also we can do this one.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
See, now you can up some condition basis inside this one, you can update the page, some different actions we will use when you are using append each page in. Inside this one again, do you want to add some different
Mm-hmm.
conditions, and then you want to set some data or you reset some data. Okay,
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
what about exit for each? Mm.
For existing the current looping.
Loop, so same like exit iteration. For example, sir, if this condition is satisfied, then I want to exit from the loop. Sir, first only one value only available in my list. Okay, wherever now I find my this one, whatever I'm looking for, okay, only one Chennai location is available. Okay, now I find the okay, for example, in this page list contains 10 results, bro. Okay, I can see only one Chennai list. What is my requirement? Wherever I'm going to find the Chennai, immediately I don't want to loop remaining steps, I want to exit from the loop. Exit from the loop. At that time, what we will do, we will use exit for each. Exit for each means it will exit the from loop, current loop position. Okay, sir, whenever we want to exit from current loop execution, then we can use exit for each. So similar like exit iteration, like we have one option is available, right, in a activity similar like that. Okay, next one is exit data transform. Exit data transform, sir, okay, what is the use? Okay, where it is, exit data transform. Sir, what is the use of exit data transform? Hmm. What is the use of exit data transform?
It will exit. If condition satisfies, we can exit from the data.
Whenever conditions satisfy, we can get exit from
Whenever
the
we
project.
want to exit the data transform execution, then we can use exit data transform. Simple, bro, I will tell you. Okay, for example, and okay, now I'm going to remove this all. Okay, simple. Okay, I will give one example. For example, just you can think that now param dot, Sir, param dot customer name. Sir, now you called some database d underscore get customer. You passed one parameter. Okay, some parameter you passed. Sir, okay, you pass some parameter. You can think that, sir, if there is no results, there is no results are available in this database. I don't want to execute remaining. Execute means, for example, sir, if we got the customer name immediately, I want to set that customer to some property. You can think that I'm giving some small example. If I explain practically, then you will get to know. Sir, if there is no results are available here, is it required to execute this one? If there is no results are available, is it required to execute step number 2?
No.
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 Sir, okay, now see, now even if you are writing like that, what it will do? It will execute step number 2 and then it will execute step number 3. It's wrong, right? What we will do? Sir, if now here, now you are giving a condition, when, okay, when equal to null means you can give the double colon, exit the data transform. Exit the data transform. Okay, na, everyone? Hello?
Yeah.
Exit the data transform. Otherwise, you can set whatever value is available. Whatever value is available. Okay, sir. Now, whenever you want to exit, sir, whatever steps now you are going to write, not only this one, sir. Sometimes we will write a logic. Because of those logics, we will get the errors. At that time, what we will do? We will check has messages. Has messages. If is there any error messages, this is the one of the Pega OOTB when condition. Is there any message error messages in your primary page? In your primary page, what it will do? Okay, it will now I don't want to execute remaining steps. I want to exit. Like that, we will write a logic. Okay, clear? Everyone, what are the actions are available in a data transform? Everyone, next 3 days we'll discuss practically about these actions. Come on, clear?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
And the final one we'll discuss and then we can wind up. Sir, here you can set the parameters, you can specify the pages and classes. Okay, final one we'll discuss about this one and then we can wind up. And okay, very 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 important one. Okay, very 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 important point. We'll discuss this one and then okay, we will wind up. What is the use of superclass data transform checkbox in checkbox in a data transform? Sir, people will ask you commonly, hey, what is the use of, by default, when you are creating a data transform, by default, the checkbox will check, right? Come on, anyone. What is the use of this superclass data transform checkbox?
When the parent and child class same name will be there, that time when we check this check box, it will pick the first parent name data transform. Am I right?
Uh, Repeat one more time, Padma.
If it is parent and child data, parent data transform and child data transform both are having same name. When we check the checkbox, this one, then first it will select the parent data transform.
Yes, correct only.
Even though if you are executing from the below classes, it will execute the parent class data transfer.
Okay, this correct only. Sir, what is mean is I will tell you. Sir, well, generally we will check that checkbox only. I will tell you. Scenario I will tell you, then you will get to know. Okay, please explain same way in case if someone is going to ask you in interview point of view. Okay, sir, in a real time point of view, in any application, we can see multiple case types. Agree, bro? Multiple case types will be available, right, in a real time point of view.
Yes.
Okay. Sir, now we can observe. Sir, sir, all these case types related common logic where we will create. Come on. All these common data,
Plus,
these case
Work
types will be created.
class.
Sir, now,
Workflow.
sir, simple, just for example purpose, just I am giving set customer care info. Set customer care info. This is the one data transform I created in this work class. Okay, now I will call in here. Okay, it will execute and then it will set the common data. What is the common data it will set? Just you can think that phone number. Okay, just like example purpose I'm giving phone number and email ID. Okay, now this is the common customer care represent to email ID and phone number you can call to them. when you are processing the case. Okay, sir. Okay, fine. Okay, sir. Now this is the common information now I created in this class. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Specific to home loan, specific to car loan, specific to personal loan. Okay, some more details will be available or not? Come on. Specific to car loan, some additional details. Some are specific to home loan, some additional customer care representative. So separate phone number, separate email ID is available. Car loan also separate email ID and phone number is available. And car loan also separate phone number, email ID is available. So now what we will do in general, I already one data transform we called okay, in this okay, case type under flow action, any of the flow action, and then it is set in. So now what we will do is in general, we will write a logic in this DT itself. We will open this one and then what we will do, so we will write a conditions like that, right? Py work ID prefix like that equal to okay pi fun like that we will write or not when hello come on when py equal to then set phone number okay phone number means now home loan phone number agree we will write like that or not hello come on sorry okay again same dt what we will do we will write like that okay h again same dt here this is the personal loan right p and p email id h email id now again here also okay so now h this one is a c okay here c and c here okay now you can observe bro what is the data transform you modified again you can think that sir some more additional details you want to set to home loan related case type again you will keep on you will modify okay, this is the correct only I said it will not execute this one it will say if you are running this case type it will execute this one and then it will set the data okay it is correct only and like that also we will do okay from best practices point of view are you going to write write a logic in this your main dt come on in our main dt are you going to write a logic means what you are doing your specific case type related logic also you are writing in your main data transform agree hello come on your specific okay case type related logic also you are writing in your main common data transform whether it is recommended sir even you added conditions also even you added conditions also whether it is recommended no at that
No.
time
No.
what we'll do is
Match.
same data transform I will create here I will create here now I will create here now is it required to add when conditions no it's not required directly I will write okay na everyone sir now what it will do what is the use of checkbox now I'm going to write a directly here I'm going to write in this data sir same data transform whether it will allow yes it will allow why because different class it will allow and sir now I will remove this entire logic I will write I will create one more data transform with the same practical I will show you okay sir I will create one more data transform in this class what it will do is sir how it will execute same name is available sir if you are checking the checkbox call superclass data transform checkbox sir whatever she told Padma told sir if you are checking the checkbox in case same data transform is available in our parent class and child class at the runtime first it will execute the parent class data transform after that it will execute current class data transform okay na everyone reason you know now and how it will execute now you know everyone knows right now you people can explain or not come on tell me now you can explain right everyone
Yes, Arjun, we can.
okay this is the one way bro second way is
Arjun, I have one question.
1 minute bro just give me 1 minute sir now you know this is the one region okay this is the one region what is the use of superclass data transform checkbox sir again here every project send okay every project extension data transforms like that okay note extension you people will use this keyword extension data transforms Yes or no? Your projects also, your leads or someone will tell that create extension data transforms like that. Okay. Why? When we will create this extension data transforms means, for example, you can think from, okay, now, sir, okay, this is the very, what is the class? Okay, this is my class. Okay, this is my class. Okay, now take this one. I created, bro. Okay, I created some set customer care info. Care info. Okay, this is the data transform. I created this one. Okay, some of the people, what they did is, okay, in this work class, someone created a get customer care info. Get customer care info. Sir, now you can tell me, this is the parent class, this is the child class. Sir, now I want to call this data transform into in this data transform. Is it possible to call? I want to call this data transform into in this data transform. Is it possible to call?
No. No.
No.
But I want to call, bro.
Then uncheck that superclass data transform.
Even still whether if you uncheck that checkbox, how it will execute this one also?
Arjun, can you repeat once? What was the scenario?
Okay, my scenario is I created one data transform. My team members created one data transform. Okay, by mistake they created in this class level. Okay, this one went to the
Okay.
production also. It went to the production also. Sir, now there is one more data transform I created here. Okay, now I want to use this data transform into in this data transform. My work class data transform.
Under pages and classes, do we need to define the
Withdraw this set customer info data transform which is there in the home loan class.
Okay. Now, sir, here also what we will do is, sir, what we will do is, same with the same name. I will create one dummy data transform in this work class. Okay, na? One extension that one only we can call as a extension data transform. In this class, I will create this data transform with a dummy. Okay, sir, now what it will do, because of superclass data transform checkbox, what it will do, first it will call from your work class, after
Perfect.
that automatically it will call. Now you are able, now this logic calls will execute or not? Come on.
Yes, yes, yes.
Now what is, this is the actual region, bro. What is the use of superclass data transform? This type of scenarios it will useful. Okay, na? This is the one scenario. Actually, this process we can call as a extension data transforms. Okay, extension data transform. Okay, what is the use of extension data transform? To call the parent class data transforms into
Chill.
child class. To call the child class data transforms into parent class data transform. Okay, I will write it. To call the child class data transforms into parent class data transforms, we will create extension data transforms in a parent class, in a parent class with the same name. Now tell me, okay, any questions about, okay, I will write here. What is the use of superclass data transform checkbox? If we check the superclass data transform checkbox in a data transform, then okay, okay, first one, I will remove this one. In case same data transform is available in a parent class and child class, okay, child class, then then first it will call, first it will call parent class data transform. Okay, okay, first it will execute. First it will execute the parent class data transform, and then it will execute child class data transform. Okay, what is the use of child class data transform? Now tell me. Okay, any about
Arjun,
data? Yes. Now tell
yeah,
me.
sorry to interrupt. I have one doubt. Let's say same name data transform. There are three classes, right? A, B, and C, and both in B and C we are having same name data transform, right? So I am checking the called superclass data transform from C class. So what will happen in this case, Arjun? It will check from B class, or it will go. It will also check from A class also.
No, see, okay, 1 minute, bro. Okay, again. You can think that, okay, I will give one, sir. Okay, don't think some here it will check only in a parent class, bro. Now see here, A class is different, okay. B class is different, C class is different, right? It will not check A class, B class, C class. Same data transform is available here. Same data transform is available here. Same data transform is available here. Means don't think that it will check this A class, B class like that. No, sir. It will check parent classes of C.
Means directly it will suppose A C is inheriting from A, so it will check from A, or like what?
At that time, okay, B class. For example, your inheritance is like that. Now tell me, if your inheritance is like that, same data
Yes.
transform is available. First, it will call here. After that, it will call here. After that, it will execute this one.
Oh, okay. Even though we haven't selected call superclass data transform on class B data
Wherever
transform, then also it will.
it will break. It will break. See, if you are unchecking this one here, if you are unchecking at that time whether it will call A class data transform, it will break, right? You are breaking.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, here
Then
if you
in
are
that case, B parent class will be B, and the data transform from B class will be called, right?
yes. Okay, see,
Okay.
same
Okay. Okay.
scenario, people will ask you in interview point of view. Whatever Amardeep you asked, right? Similar way, people will ask you. I have three classes, A, class
Asking
B.
three classes A, B, C are in hierarchy.
Hierarchy. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Okay, sir, he is telling that I'm going to uncheck the checkbox. Uncheck the checkbox. Uncheck. Okay, at that time, what is the behavior? Okay, even this type of scenarios also people will ask you. I also faced this type of interview questions. Okay, how it will execute? Okay, clear,
It will
right?
execute only the child class, C class data transform, not the super class.
No, but you checked the checkbox. Here I checked the checkbox. At that time, what is the
So
First it
behavior?
will
Then
it
we
will
first
check
it
execute
will
only
execute
B
the A,
class.
B,
C.
then C.
See, it's like that
Oh,
you can
C
select.
it will not execute because it will uncheck.
A will, however, not be executable because we are unchecking from B, right? So
Yeah,
it will
exactly.
not go from upper level. Yeah.
Yeah,
So it will execute only B and C, not
Yes,
A.
yeah.
yes.
AC.
No A, no A. Why A? You are
No.
unchecking here
A will not
B class.
execute, bro. B will execute. And
Yes, B
C,
and C.
B and C.
Arjun, better you if you can write there, please,
These
so that
things
all
are
can understand.
okay. Sir, it
So
will
one
call
one
from.
thing.
Uh,
What
yes.
about the logic implemented in A, B, and C are different, or the same logic is there? If there
Oh,
is a different
Yeah, we are
logic,
then
then
not
different
how?
logic.
implementing
How?
any
Different
logic. It is
logic.
used for
Different
initializing
logic,
the
bro. See,
values.
generally, if same logic, then we will no need to create a multiple data transforms in a multiple classes, right, Narsima? Well, same
Yeah.
logic. Why duplicate logic we will write in all classes? If it is a different logic, then only we will write that logic in a parent classes.
So you mean to say all the logics implemented in ABC
Different,
data transfer
different,
will be
different,
implemented? All the logics
different.
will be implemented, right?
Yes, it will
Yeah,
implement. It
even
will.
different cumulative of all the logics.
Yes, exactly. You can say that. Okay, it will aggregate all these three data
Yeah.
transforms. Okay,
Okay.
I will tell you simple example. Sir, in here, first name equal to Arjun. Okay, first name equal to Arjun. A class data transform. B class data transform. Last name equal to, okay, uh, Reddy. And C class data transform full name. Sir, now how first name plus last name? How it will execute now? Sir, it will take the value of okay, it will execute this data transform. Arjun it will take, and it will execute B class data transform. It will take Reddy, and then it will set the full name in a C class data transform. Like that also you can consider. Okay, or else, sir, here address I'm giving, and here I'm giving a state name I'm giving. Here I am giving a zip code. Final value of address is, it will set this value, and then it will set this value, and then it will set this value. This is another scenario. Okay.
Okay.
So since we are unchecking this, so here the results will be only ready, right?
Unchecking a checkbox means, yes. Okay, unchecking the checkbox.
In,
Yes,
in the B
exactly.
class.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
ready.
Here only ready only. It will come ready.
Also, extended data transform here. If I want to call the set customer care info from the get customer care info,
Ah.
so it's not possible,
No,
right?
it's not now I told possible through
So,
extension data. That one only people will ask you interview point of view, and
yeah,
not interview. You can ignore about interview point of view. When you are writing a logic in our projects, we will do like that, bro.
yeah. Could you please explain a little bit here?
Okay,
I little bit
okay,
confused here.
okay. Where I created the data transform, this one,
Walk class.
worker class. Where I created this data transform,
Home loan
Child
class.
case. Child case.
what I am doing now,
Calling walk home loan class data transform to walk class. It's not
but I
possible.
want to call, but I want to call
Yes. So yeah.
whether it is calling now.
No.
What I am doing now,
You're doing created on
Same data transform
same
call.
data transform in the
Yes.
walk class. Okay, commented dummy. Okay.
any comment, sir. Now what it will do? Come on, what it will do now? Come on, now it is accepted, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
I accept it. Now it will go. What it will do? It will follow the sequence to
Okay.
execute
Okay.
your
Got it. Got it.
specification.
Yes. 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 First it will. Okay. Okay.
Okay, okay,
Got it.
this is the important scenario and important one. Even interview point of view also they are asking. Okay, how we can call this one means we can say like that. Okay, I think theoretically everyone is perfect about data transforms.
Hi,
Agreed.
hi Arjun sir, I have a small doubt.
Yes.
How many types of data transform available in Pega?
Oh,
JSON and applied.
JSON,
JSON wrap.
JSON. Okay, okay, fine. I will write that one also. Fine. Types of data transforms. Okay. Types of data transforms. Now, what are the different types of data transforms are available? Tell me.
JSON
Ah,
and one more
Standard data transform and
standard.
JSON standard.
Standard. Yeah.
okay,
JSON.
standard. Sir, when we can use this JSON data transform means when
So
you are
when we want
connect.
to
Ah, come on, sir. When you are
When we
when we
are
want to
connecting
using
with
send the
external systems,
when you are connecting with the external systems at that time, JSON data, right, bro? Simple abba. Database we will call the request data transform data response data transforms, right? At that time
yeah.
we will use this JSON format, bro. Either we will map normal standard data transform or else we will use JSON. Okay.
yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ratna.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, sir. Clear.
Thanks, bro. Okay, you remind me. Okay, JSON and standard data transform. This one, when we want to map, okay, map request or response data. Okay, when you want to connect with external systems. systems. Okay, then what about standard, bro? All use cases. I'm not going to write all the use cases means this one, all below use cases like that. Okay na? Hello.
Yeah, okay,
Yeah.
sir.
All okay, all below scenarios.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Any more? Okay, anything?
Sir, like when we create activity, that time we have type as a activity and automatic. So, like, what is the type as a automatic in activity?
Automatic is
Automation.
available.
Yeah, like type as a activity and automation. Like when we create the
No,
activity, like when
this one I didn't create, and I didn't create activity type called automation. Whether you
okay.
people created, anyone created. I created JSON. Okay, this one I know I can explain.
No, no, sir.
But
Activity in activity. When we
no, no,
create
I'm telling
activity.
that one. I'm telling that one only. I didn't create. Anyone created automation activity. Maybe testing purpose or some any. Subbu, do you know anyone created?
No.
Okay, so I didn't create Anuja. Okay, thank you. We'll continue tomorrow. Mm.
Thank you, Arjun.
Okay, okay, thanks, sir.
Arjun.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, yeah. In the extension data transform, so you in the home loan class you writing some logic in the sample extension, sample
Okay.
extension data transform. Okay. Uh, yeah, okay, you write something, so you run this data transform from the homeland. Okay, no problem. So you check the superclass data transform. That means it's going to from work class data transform. So what is the requirement? You created dummy one in the work class. Wha- what is the requirement you created in the
No, this
dummy?
that one also I explained right, bro. Explained
Yeah,
right here. See
yes.
here what I told. See your initial development. We created the data transform here.
Okay,
Initial
yes.
development, and we this one is moved into the production.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now there is now you created one more data transform. Okay, now one more data transform means initially when we implemented the functionality, at that time only one case type is available. At that time you created okay this data transform. Okay, now multiple case types we included into in our application. At that time you are thinking that array why we need to create a
Okay, then we need
okay
to
separate data transform. We'll
create it
create
in the
a
common layer. Okay, okay.
some reusability, bro. Extension
Yes,
means
yes. Got it,
reusability.
got it. Thank you, Arjun.
Okay, thanks, sir.
So extension data transform will
Yes.
recognize with the dummy commits.
No, no. See, I gave like a dummy. Now, we, generally, how
So
we will give is okay.
what
No,
is
no.
the
I gave like
how the
okay. We will give like here. What you are
how
asking?
no no how that recognize actually
Oh, with the
data
name,
transform
with
is
the name, with the name, it will recognize. With the name, I gave like same name, right? Narsimha, here you can see sample extension. Same name you need to give. Rule name, data transform name. You need to give same name.
ext that should be there.
No, no, it's not
That is a
required. No,
standard or
no, no,
some.
no, 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 bro. No, no. See, I can give sample one also. I'm giving like extension like that. Sample one also you can give. It's the name only. You can give extension. This one. See, why I'm giving is people will think right. If you give like that extension keyword, oh, this is the extension data transform created for this purpose. Like that, people will get to know, right? That's why I gave. Otherwise, same name we can give, bro. Okay, na?
Okay.
Okay, same name you can give. Same name. Okay, some XYZ also you can give. No need to give like EXT like that. No need to give.
What is the standards actually? The same name should be given because that should be called in everywhere, right?
Otherwise, it will not call. Okay, otherwise it will not call the same way. And then you can give the extension means just like people can recognize that this extension data transform is created for separate case types. Like that, people will think when someone is going to
Sample.
modify.
I can give sample only, right? Sample gun. That's in different class as well.
Here you will give. You are saying that I will give sample.
Sample. Yes.
No, if you are giving a sample, what it will do, bro? See, this rule also sample only. What it will call same data transform again.
But
There is no point, right? The same data transform is available here, and the same you are calling same data transform.
Okay. Understood.
Any questions right now? Okay, we'll discuss tomorrow practical sessions. Okay. Bye.
Thanks a lot, Arjun. Thank you.